Good morning. All Elliott trades analysis for Euro USD. Today I'm in shorts currently because I believe we finished the black wave 3 and that we're looking for a black wave 4, which is going to come to the price territory of the prior wave 4, which is the purple one. And this is the area. Okay, I do have points of interest in the zone, so we still have some imbalance, okay, below that 4. And that would be the demand inside there. Not really what I need to try right now because we're not looking for any deep movement down. Really, we could manipulate this low. Could manipulate this low before moving lower. Something like this, but we'll wait and see. But the main thing is this is the prior fourth wave area from the top here to down here. That's where the fourth wave starts, or even starts here. Sorry, from where 3 ended. A, B, C. Then we've got A, B, C, and fifth wave. Okay, fifth wave is some form of potentially expanding diagonal. Okay, because it's not really a good 4 hour. I don't really see a fourth wave here. Yeah, it was hard to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially. Expanded diagonals are rare, never preferred unless everything else fails. And if I look at this, I struggle. Look, 1, 2. Where's my fourth wave? You're gonna tell me this is 3, 4 in here, 5. So this little move here, this little this move here, in between this candle and this candle, is to be my fourth wave. It doesn't really make sense, And this could be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So obviously, as well, if this was 1, 2, and this is 3. Fourth wave shouldn't hit the 618. Okay, we've hit the 618. So I'm just prepared to call this finished. Okay, coming down to make the black wave 4. And we'll take it from there. Okay, so bearish. I'm bearish on Euro USD. I am in sales. Okay, now let's get to a bit of the supply and demand. This will be our supply zone. Okay, we've gone and grabbed the prior wicks high above the EMAs. Okay, you can see we're trapped above the EMAs and come down. Okay, there's an hour left of this 4-hour candle. I do believe we're going to take this low. All right, this red line is a point of interest inside of here on a smaller time frame, which you will see soon. Or you can see it now. It's just and in fact on the 15th it says the low of the demand zone, but ultimately this is my point of interest, this wick and this wick. That is my psychological low. So I want to get below the psychological low. All right, we've closed below the 13 and the 15 and the 5 EMA, and we're below the daily open. Now the daily open is the yellow line. Okay, this little yellow line here. We've closed below the 50 static, the signal line, which is bearish, the base, the market baseline, is clearly on the way to the downside to me. 19 minutes for this candle to close, and I think that when that hour candle closes, yeah, you can see the 4-hour is closing below the baseline. So we're definitely bearish for the day, in my opinion. Oh, sorry, let me just go back to the 4-hour there as well. You can see this looks like a 1, 2, 3, right? A, B, C, yeah, 3-wave move against this decline. Now a break of this low here, just below the red line. Okay, here, that's our A, B, C. We break the B wave, we know that's corrective. We know we're looking for down. When we break that, there'll probably be a sharp move up to mitigate or grab some liquidity and then continue lower. 15-minute time frame, we can see what's going on here. Yeah, I've many times I see price like this and here like this, we end up overselling on the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, just watching price move as I'm already in my positions, we'll go to the pound. Okay, I just want to make sure you can see the count clearly. Just put this count back on again. Good. It's important. Okay, go to the 4 hour. Okay, this is our count from the lows. All right, 1, 2 in black, and then inside the black 3, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're looking for the black 4. So we can then look for the black 5. Okay, go to the pound GBP USD. Yeah, no, that's gold. Okay, that's good. Like a mess. That's better. That's much better. Okay. For the pound, it looks like we're complete and we could be coming down for a 2 wave. I definitely expect price to get into this area now. I've had this highlighted for ages. I do expect price to come down here. We're taking out demand over here, which can now become supply. And clean it up. Right. So the prior 4th wave is here. Yeah. We're taking that out. It looks like we're coming to this area. So it does look like a 2 wave to me. Because we've got in purple 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If I'm mistaken and that goes like this, if it was the case, okay, then maybe that's free. But whatever, if that's the case, then we'd be looking for this purple 4 to go make the purple 5, and that would look like, that would be like Euro USD. But I don't think that was my, I don't think there was anything wrong with this count. So I've gone back to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 5. You know what? All I care for right now is that to watch when price comes here. I do expect price to come down here. Okay, and I've had this marked out from the beginning of the channel. When price comes down here, we can look for an accumulation. Okay, if we get an accumulation, we can take that back up to a supply zone, which the supply zone that's in control. We'll look for an unmitigated supply zone. So I'm gonna look for it now. I guess this area actually might hold. Grab liquidity. Okay, now. So right, yeah, well, we've got a couple supply zones here either way, and if we get down here, we accumulate, we can start looking for a thing, but that won't be today. As far as I'm concerned, it's coming down today, and we should reach this area, somewhere in this area today. Real quickly check AUD USD, and AUD USD is just throwing, it's a throw off. Let's see, haven't looked at it today. I think A, B, C, and A, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Let me just make sure this, if this is a win also. This looks like a 4 to me. I've got here, yeah. This looks like a 4, and we're doing a 5. So to me right now, this can alternatively be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're doing that 5th wave, or we just finished that So I'm just going to put an alternative count on here. Board USD and NZD USD are not in the same like type of wave as Euro USD and GBP USD are. Okay, where they're in fourth waves or creating another fourth wave to continue lower. Here seems to be trying to begin a new bullish trend potentially. Okay, but this could be this can all be corrective. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. I'm gonna like this. This looks good for yeah, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it could still be A, B, C, and this is getting to me a bit because I would have to go into it a bit more, you know, which I'm gonna do right now. I'm doing now, but otherwise, I would. This looks like it might be bullish. Look at that, way oversold. We have bullish divergence. We have bullish divergence on the 4 hour. This looks bullish to me. This is corrective. Just when I see, say for argument's sake, old USD is bearish, whereas pound and bullish, whereas pound and euro are bearish. Makes me want to look into it a bit more. Usually these things will move in the same direction. I'm not gonna lie. My analysis for this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I think whatever this is coming down here is finished. Potentially, we could go and make another low then come up. Okay. So this can be a fourth wave to this 2 wave here. Obviously, the depth is far. We're not going to hit that 618. So if we hit that 618, okay, then we know the low is in. I wouldn't be surprised if we trapped here and dropped one more time before going higher. As you can see, the hours outside of the volatility band is right by the 50 static. If it broke and closed above it, that would be a bullish sign, but I wouldn't be surprised if we just sharply came back inside the volatility band. Yeah, you can see that it's kind of messed up the TDI the way it's moving. 15-minute time frame. Let's have a look at that. You can see that we're in the psychological range, psychological high, the psychological low, and the daily open in the middle. Got the low daily range and the high daily range there. This thing is, potentially we could be starting to accumulate in this range. Okay, and that being the case, we could even maybe do something like this, grab the low and go higher for the week. I do think ultimately we're bullish, but we've got a low to make, which if you check it, it's the same as GBP USD and Euro USD. We're bullish, but we have a low to make. Okay. So that's my analysis on the USD pairs. I will update you today. Not too far from now, maybe about 2-3 hours from now, whenever price makes a move or a change. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know of any other charts that you'd like to do analysis on. And take care. Peace.